Hello everyone, today I'm so excited to share with you our delectable and scrumptious side dish, cauliflower cheese. So we're gonna start off by cutting our cauliflower into florets, bite-sized pieces. And then much better if you have a fresh cauliflower, although this one is not very fresh but it's still good. Then we are just going to steam our cauliflower until they are tender. In another pot, we are going to prepare our cheese sauce. We're gonna make a roux by adding 2 tablespoons of butter and about 4 teaspoons of flour. So we're just gonna mix them up until the butter are melted. And then after that, we're just going to add some milk. You can add them gradually while stirring them so that they won't lump. There's no lumps that's being formed. And then we're gonna add our seasoning, salt and pepper. You can add some nutmeg as well if you have, and then patiently we're just gonna stir our mixture. Add some cheese. We have here some cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and then we're just gonna mix it until they are smooth and velvety in texture. Then we're gonna transfer our cauliflower into the baking dish, add our cheese sauce on top, and then we're just gonna make sure that they'll be combined well by making sure that the cauliflowers are evenly coated with our cheese sauce, and then we're gonna top with some grated cheese. Pop it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and it's bubbling. So look at this. That's how beautiful it looks like. It's so good, guys. It's yummy and it's cheesy and it's creamy. You must try this one and let me know how it goes for you. I'm pretty sure your kids will love this too. Not only the adults but also the kids.